Hey everybody, I'm going to make a quick video to demonstrate how I think this experiment will work. Let's see if it works. All right, here we go. So we are over here, and if you follow through the instructions, step one is to just go around and get everybody's names. Another chance to meet people, remember who's in your class. All right, so we got Ben, we got Frank, we got Diane, we got Adriana, we got Alfredo, we got Alina, we got Jason, we got Joel, we got Angel, we got Alexis, we got Anna. All right. I don't know how many people they're going to be. Just get as many people as there are in the class. You should have the same number of people here. Remember, if you highlight everything, you can see the count down here. You should have the same number of people there or as in the room. So next, you're going to autofill here down to the end of that. And now you can start the process of doing the experiment. So nice thing about RAND, which is a part of this formula we just autofilled, is that every time I make a change, it will automatically redo the randomness. Right now, the max number in the list is over here. It's 86. Notice I'm using the max formula that we've used. I may or may not leave that in. I may make you do that. Anyways, it's here now. And if you're watching this video, you can see it. But anyways, 86 is the max. That's Jason. So I'm going to type Jason here. I'm going to press enter. And that automatically redoes the experiment, which is to reshuffle these numbers, get me a new maximum, which is 98. And that's Diane. And I will now proceed through this list as many times as I have space here. I think it's about 30, but it's probably more like 28 times. And just to help you, I put the name over here, so you don't really need to scan this list. You can just write down the name that you see appearing over here. That should be the max. You could look at the formula that I wrote for that. Oh, Diane, it's very popular today. So we should just be able to go through and follow the experiment, see what happens. This is supposed to be randomly generating numbers. I would follow the capitalization that's provided here. So just make sure that you're doing the same typing here as goes here. If you mess up and you type something wrong, you can go back and fix it later. Just keep in mind that each time you type or make a change, so for instance, if I go put the number 3 over here, it's going to redo the stuff in the random numbers, which means this is going to change, which means this is going to change. So I would just keep going now. Alfredo, I'm going to keep going all the way to the end here. Angel, Alfredo, this seems weird. We seem to be stuck. Nope, we got a new one. Back to Alfredo and Alexis. And this is an odd situation where actually we had 2 random numbers that matched. In this case, I would just take the first name that I got. It's not exactly right, but don't lose sleep over it. And Alexis and Alfredo. Okay, so now I've done the experiment, and now I'm ready to do my how many times the name appeared. And for this one, you're going to stop in the autofill at the end of the last name. So you're not going all the way to here. You'll notice that if I do that, I'll get a bunch of zeros. So it's this one is the last one I got. And this then gives me the number of times the name appeared in my experiment. So that's it. That's the experiment. And then we can move forward and do some calculations. All right. Hope that helps.